In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Keyboard Shortcuts. If you spend a lot of time managing projects in Trello, a few keys can save you tons of clicks and keep you in flow. First, log into Trello and open your board so you're looking at your lists and cards. Everything we'll do happens right from this view. No menus required. To move quickly between cards, use the arrow keys or the J and K keys on your keyboard. J jumps to the card below. K jumps to the card above. This is perfect when you want to scan a list from top to bottom without touching the mouse. As you press J and K or the arrow keys, Trello highlights the active card, making it clear which one you're on before you take any action. Once a card is selected, you can shift it to a neighboring list with the less than and greater than keys, written as the characters and. Press the left one to move the card to the list on the left, and the right one to move it to the list on the right. On many keyboards, these symbols live on the same keys as the comma and period, and you may need to hold Shift to produce them. This is a fast way to push work forward or backward across stages without opening the card at all. When you need to switch context, press B to open the Boards menu. This instantly pulls up a searchable panel where you can type a few letters of a board's name and jump straight to it. It's ideal when you manage multiple projects and want to switch without navigating through the homepage. And whenever you're looking for something specific, press the / key. That focuses Trello's global search box right away so you can start typing immediately. Use this to find cards, lists, or boards by title or keyword across your workspace. It keeps your hands on the keyboard and gets you results in seconds. That's the core set. Navigate with arrow keys or J and K. Move selected cards with and. Open the Boards menu with B and focus search with. Practice these a few times, and you'll feel your speed and focus improve. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing for more quick productivity tips. Let us know in the comments what you think and if there's anything we can do to improve future videos.